Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to be trying out a $1 lip gloss. It's kind of rare to find a $1 lip gloss nowadays because you can't even get $1 lip glosses at the dollar store, at Dollar Tree. It's now $1.25. But on the ShopMissA website, they still have a ton of $1 products, and this is one of them. This is from the brand AOA Studio, which is the ShopMissA private label brand. And this is the Squalips lip gloss in the shade Clear. It also comes in a shimmer version, but this is supposed to be moisturizing. It has squalane in it, which is a hydrating ingredient, which my dry lips really need. This is also high shine, which is something I really look for in my lip glosses. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it's a clean formula free from parabens, phthalates, alcohol, mineral oil, silicones, and PEG. So I just love to find amazing, inexpensive products. So that's what I'm really hoping to find today. Plus, I love trying out lip products, and I have tried out so many. That up there is just a few of my current favorite lip products, but I love lip products. And so let's see what the applicator is like and how this smells. So it's a rounded paddle type of applicator. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells fruity. Not necessarily like a sweet fruity, but more like a true, fresh, fruity smell. I love that. I love when my lip products have a nice smell to them. And okay, let's see how this is on my lips. Ooh, yes, very shiny. So easy to apply, and I love that it truly did immediately moisturize my lips. That's something I really look for in a lip gloss, not something that just coats over the dry patches, leaves behind texture. No, I want it to actually moisturize my lips, and this truly does. It's just such a simple, classic type of lip gloss, but it is awesome. It's perfect. And for only $1, that's why it's hard for me to spend more than $1 on just a clear lip gloss, because this is exactly what I want. It's moisturizing, it's super shiny, it's really not sticky at all. I don't know how they do that. And it's so enhancing to the lips. Like, my lips are smoothed out. The lines in my lips look so much smoother. It feels so nice on the lips, and it has that great smell. Literally everything I want in a lip gloss. Like, it's giving the illusion of plumped up lips because of the shine and how hydrating and smoothing it is. Like, I'm actually kind of blown away by the fact that this is only $1, because there are more expensive lip glosses that are not nearly this good. So if you just want an all-around beautiful, awesome, clear lip gloss, which you can also use this as a lip topper, put it over any lip color, like, this is just a perfect essential type of lip gloss to have in the collection. I'm so glad that this is as good as I was hoping it would be. So let me know in the comments down below, what are your favorite lip glosses? Maybe there's some lip glosses out there that really are worth spending a little bit more money on. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.